Today I will discuss about the first question. If wall is called window, then window is called door, and door is called floor, and floor is called ventilator, then what will be a person stands for? So the first question answer is ventilator. So you have to give the click and then write the ventilator is the answer. Next one, from the house, Samrat went to 15 kilometer to the north, and then he turned west and covered 10 kilometers. Then he turned south and covered 5 kilometers. Finally, turning to east, he covered 10 kilometers. In which direction he moved? So, if you find out at last that the direction never not change and it is on the what direction? It is in the north direction. So, north is the answer. So, you have to give a tick, that is north. Next one, which of the following cannot be formed from the letter of the given word? So here there is some letter. So among them, which of the letter is not formed by the following letter? THERMOLYSIS. So C is the answer. So you have to write the answer C. Next one, Tisu knows that more than Sadak. Kalmina knows as much as Mini, and Mini knows only less than Samrat. So Sadak knows more than Mini but less than Mahit. Who is the most intelligent, most knowledgeable person among all? So Tisu knows more than Sadak. That means Tisu knows more. Kalbin knows more than Mani. Kalbin knows more than Mini, and Mohit knows only less than Samrat. So Sadak knows more than Mini but less than Mohit. Who is the most knowledgeable person among all? So knowledgeable among them, the knowledgeable person is Samrat. The Samrat is the most knowledgeable person. So you give the tick to Samrat. Next question. Which of the following Venn diagram best depict the relationship among traveler and train and bus? So here traveler is in between them and train. These three circles, look at C. Look at the C. Three circles are given here, and among three, in the middle there is traveler, and on both sides there is train and bus. That means traveler can use both train and bus. So C is the answer. So you can give the right answer C. Next one, I will go to the question number 7. Select the number from the option that will complete the given series. So 20, 19, 20 minus 1, 19, 19 minus 2, 17, 17 minus 3, 14. So subtract first 1, then 2, and then 3. In this way you can get the answer, and the answer is 14. Next one, the given table shows that the possible food choice for the lunch. How many different types of lunches can be made, each including one type of soup, one type of sandwich, and one type of salad. So here I think the answer is how many types of salad you can make from this by these components. So 8. So D is the answer. You can make different type of salads, 8 types of salads from it. So you can give the right answer D. Next one, the given diagram shows the original position of the wheel. Which of the following diagrams show the correct position of the wheel after it has been turned into 201/8 turns to the left? So here look at the first figure is here the position of PQRS. Now if you move two turns, that means it comes into the original position, but there is 1/8 turns are there left. So 1/8, how can you prove? 1/8. So look at D. D is the answer. So position of 1 by 8 in such a way, so it can be moved in this way. So D is the answer. Study the following arrangement carefully. 1 is F3. These were the numbers are written. Which of the following is 8 to the right of seventh letter? So 7th letter from the left and in the above arrangement. So go to the left side and find out the 7th letter, and you go which of the following is 8 to the right of 7th letter. So 7th letter, you go to the right of 7th letter and go to the 8th letter. After that you go to the 8th letter from left and you can find out that 10. C is the answer. L is coming. So this is the L. L after K there is L. So L is the answer. C is the answer. So next one, there is a certain relationship. Figures 1 and 2 establish the similar relationship between figure 3 and 4. Selecting a figure from the option which will replace the figure 4. So look at in the first figure and second figure. There is a relation. First triangle come in between a circle and circle come in between triangle. That means opposite things done. So you do the same thing. Here in 3 there is a there is a kite in between square, so you have to change it, and the square is come in between the kite. So D is the answer. So write D is the answer. Next one, select a figure from the given option which will replace the question mark to form the series. That means here 2 rectangle is given, and in the third position there is a rectangle. So your work to find out A, B, C, D, which option is coming. So look at in the first square only two square is marked. In the second figure 5 square is marked. So after 2 then 5 come. So after 2 when 5 come, then what is come after it? What is the condition to come 12? So I think after 5, 2 then 5, then I think 7 come. 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. That means you add first 3, then 2. In this way you can get the answer. The answer is B. Next question. I will go to the next question. 13. Find the missing number if same rules is followed in all the figure. Look at here. 5, 5, 6, 4. Then below there is 4 come. That means 5, 5 repeated. 6, 6 again repeated. Then 7 come. Then 4. What is come in the middle? So I think 8 is repeated. So 13B. 13B. B is the 13 in 13. B is the answer because 8 is coming. In this way, there is a symmetric condition come. So you can find out 8 is the answer. Next one. Find the total number of cubes in the following figure. So if you count one by one, then you find out 14 square is 14 cubes are coming. So write 14. Next one, select the figure from the option in which figure X, it is figure 10, is exactly embedded as one of its part. So A, B, C, D are 4 options given. So select the figure from the option in which figure 10 is exactly embedded as one of its part. So this is the figure 10 is given, so on which it is embedded. So look at, it is embedded in D. Look at clearly, there is a D. D is the option. So you have to give right answer D. Next one, the given figure is made up of identical squares. The total area is given. What is the perimeter of the figure? The perimeter means if you move outside, not move inside, move outside and and travel all the path, then you get the perimeters. So here 16. B is the answer. B is 160 centimeter. So 160 centimeter is the answer. So I will take 160 centimeter. Math number 17. The value of 5 tens, 5 tenth and 1500 is the same as. So 5 10 means 50 and 5 10 means 5 by 10 and 1500 means 15 by 100. So whenever we add, we get the value 50 plus 6 plus 0.05. So this is the D is the answer. Next one, which of the following options shows the same property between the rectangle and square? Rectangle and square both have all angles 90 degree. So I think B is the answer. So B is the answer. Now how many of the following alphabet has at least one line of symmetry? One line of symmetry means choose the line and on both sides of the line there is same figure you see. So what is the one line of symmetry? Here in 19. 5. How many following alphabet are at least one line of symmetry? So 5, and you can easily find out what are the 5s. So first draw one line and see that they on both sides are symmetry or not. So very easy math. This is, you can do it with your own. So 5 is the answer. Next, using the following digit from the greatest possible 7-digit number, even number, that is divisible by 2 even number, if repetition of the digit is allowed. So 9308, if you repeat again and again, then you find out the greatest number is D. So find out D is the answer. So D is the answer. Next, a cricket stadium manager counted the number of matches held in each month. So month and the number of matches given in Roman number. So Roman number you have to count this easily, and you have to find out the Roman numbers. So a cricket match here 21. B is the answer. September. Because if you count this one, then LX means 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. That means 50, 60, 70, 80, 80, how many? 80? 86. So this is the highest. So 86 is the highest. But in which month the stadium had the lowest number of matches? So you need lowest number. So this is lowest. So September is the answer. So you have to tick September. Next, which of the following option is correct for the fraction of shaded part in the figure 1 and 2? Which of the following option correct for the fraction of shaded figure in the shaded figure? You see the shaded figure and you have to find out in number 1 how many shaded figure are there, and figure number 2 how many shaded number there, and then find out the relations. So 22 A is the answer. So number of figure in 1 is greater than number of figure in 2. So give tick mark, and this is the answer. Now next question 23. If a symbol weight 9 kg 900 gram, then find out the weight of this figure, a square. So figures are given in different type of orders. So here on the left side there is pen, a ball. On the right side there is 2 square. And in the second case the symbol is given on the left and the other ball is given on the right side. So 9 kg 900 gram is the weight. So 3 balls, here 3 balls, total weight find out, and then you have to get the value of 1 ball and then put 1 ball on the left side figure, and this 1 ball is equal to the 2 weight of the square. Now you have to find out the 1 square, then the total weight is divided by 2. So answer is coming number 23 B. B is the answer. So in this way you can find out. Four guys each made a statement about the given figure. I can see 6 pairs of perpendicular lines. There are 7 angles in the figure. Tisika said, Siddiq, there is only 1 pair of parallel lines. Amini said 6 of the angles are less than the right angle. So which guys made the correct statement? So 20 A is the correct answer. I think Sachi, I can see 6 pairs of perpendicular lines. If you find out perpendicular lines, there are 6 perpendicular lines you can see in the 26 figure number 20, math number 26. So you can give the answer A. Next, which is the following difference? Which is the difference in the place value of the digit 8 and 6 in the numerical? This one. So find out the place value of 8. 1s, 10s, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs. So 80 lakhs are 6. 1s, 10s, 100,000, 10,000. So 60,000. So now difference 80 lakhs minus 60,000. So you have to get the answer D. D is the answer. So D is the correct answer. So tick up D. Now next, which of the following has more than one line of symmetry? More than one line of symmetry in 28. I think B. In B, there are the following shape has a one line, more than one line of symmetry. Symmetry means the line, choose a line and look at on both sides. If the same figures come, then that is called the line of symmetry. Here B is the answer. So tick the B. That is line of symmetry. Now there is a question in 29. Mohit cycled from his house to the post office and then to the market and then to the hospital and then he went to his house. The distance are marked in the given figure. What is the total distance covered by Mohit? To add all the figure, add one by one, and you can get the right answer. B. B is the right answer. Pass 3.6, then take 5.3, and then 6.65, and then go to the hospital, and then from hospital he goes to the home. Thirty number figure, the given figure is made up of identical square. Find out the area of the shaded region. So here look at, there is a formula come that if a square is half, then you can take it as 1, you can take it as a you can take its area. That means here area is 2 into 2. So 2 to the 4. So whenever the full figure is coming in the shaded part, then you take 4. Or if half part is coming, then also you take 4. But less than half is not counted. So in that time, if you count in this way, then D is the answer, 52 coming. So 52 is the answer. So you have to tick 52. So next one, 28845 is written in the word. It is very easy. 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. So 28,845. So I think 31 A is the answer. So give it tick. Next one, go to the sum of the factors of 78. Now you have to find out a factor. Factor means the number by which any number divides. So all divisors are all factors. All divisors which divide 78 gives remainder 0. These are all factors. So sum of factors mean you have to find out all the factors and then add them. Then answer come, I think A. 168 is the answer. So write 168. So 168 is the answer. Next 33. If there is a mango is given here and added all of them, and there is a lychee also. So first 2 mangoes plus 1 lychee equal to 30 is given. Then 1 lychee minus 1 mango equal to 5 is given. Then what is the value of 1 lychee? So from the second figure, you have to find out the mangoes. So one mango equal to 1 lychee minus 5 is coming. Now put the value of mango on the first equation. Because you have to make all the mangoes equal to lychees. So in the second figure you can easily find out the number of mangoes equal to how many lychees. What is the relation between the number and the lychees. So you can easily find out and you can easily answer the question, the answer. Give the answer. So 33. 33 is the D is the answer. So D is the answer. Now direction 34 to 35. The given graph show the number of toys cars from the cars some child have. So child name is given in the x-axis and number of toys given in the y-axis. So question is given, dash has thrice as many toys as the total number of toys cars and Samay and Kaira have. So C is the answer, Pratik. You have to find out easily the number of toys because here all bar graphs are given. These are all the math of bar graphs. So Trisu here is 40 and then Kira is 20 and Pratik is 60 and Sama is maybe less than 10. And you have the idea about it and you can easily find out the relations. So 34 C. C is the answer. Pratik is the answer. Next, if 3 toys cars and are sold in 48 rupees, 3 toy cars are sold in 48 rupees, how much will the children earn if they sell all their toy car? If 3 toy cars are sold for rupees 48, how much will the children earn if they sell all their toy cars? So 35 B is the answer. If 3 toy cars are sold for rupees 48, how much will the children earn if they sell all their toy cars? So from the first figure, I think this is the answer is given. Number of toy cars you can easily find out. From 3 toy cars you find out the value of 1 toy cars, and then total number of toy cars you can easily find out. Total number of toy cars, all the boys toy cars you can easily find out from the figure, and then add all and then multiply it by cost of 1 toy cars. So what is the 35 answer? B. 35 B is the answer. Next question come. Golu's toothbrush is 14.5 centimeter long and Samrat toothbrush is 12.8 centimeter long. How much longer is the Golu's toothbrush than Samrat? So you can easily find out, subtract it and you can get the answer. 36. A is the answer. So A is the answer. So write A. Now 36 already done. 37 there is a math here. Neha weighs 35.4 kg and Manju weight 42.9 kg. If Ashish, Neha and Manju weight 117 kg together, then what is the Ashish weight? So Neha Manju's weight is given if Ashish, Neha and Manju togetherly 117. That means first you add 35.4 and 42.9 and then this add value is subtracted from 117. Then you easily find out the Ashish weight. Because in first case weight of 2 girls is given. In second case weight of 3 girls togetherly given. So subtract it. From the second one subtract first and you can get the answer. 37. C. C is the answer. So you have to find out C is the answer. Next one, Mrs. Priya brought 3 liters of milk in the morning and there was 5/8 liters left in the evening. How much milk was used during the day? So Mrs. Priya bought 3 liters of milk in the morning and there was 5/8 liters left in the evening. So how much milk was used? That means 3 minus 5/8. So you can easily find out the value. and the value is 19 by 8. So you can subtract 5 by 8 from 3. So you can give the answer D. 39. There are 1,827 children in the school. Each child pays rupees 489 per month as a tuition fee. How much money is collected by the school per month? So you multiply it and then you get the answer. Answer is which one? 39. 39A. A is the answer. Very easy math. Multiply math. So do it. You can get the answer. Then 40 is the air hostess of Jet Airways reported for duty at 13:30 hours. That means it's 10 time given. She completed 8 hours of duty. At what time did her duty get over? So the air hostess of Jet Airways reported for duty at 13:30 hours. 13:30 means 1:30. So after from 1:30 you go 8. So 9:30 come. So 9:30, what is the train time in 9:30? So 12 plus 9. So I think 40 the answer is 40. Yes. 20, 30, 21, 30. It is very easy math, you know. So fast train time change into normal time. 12 hours time. And you can easily find out. Next, rectangle garden is 32 meter wide and 48 meter long. How much fencing will be needed to enclose the garden? If fencing costs 98 meter per how 98 rupees per meter, how much will it cost to fence the garden? So rectangle garden length breadth is given. How much fencing will be needed? So fencing means you find out the perimeter. So perimeter 2 into length plus breadth. So from this 2 into length plus breadth you have to find out the perimeter. Then multiply this perimeter with 98 because 1 meter fencing cost you have to find out. Here it is given to you, and now total length you have to find out in meter because this is perimeter. Now multiply 98 with this perimeter and you get the answer 41. A is the answer. A tea plucked some tea and some tea and some tea, all are given tea leaves on 3 successive. How many tea leaves did he pluck in all 3 days? So add it. Very easy addition done. So do it. 42. B is the answer. Next 43. 21,35,680 voters are to be equally distributed among 235 polling booths. How many voters are there in each polling booth? So divide it and you can get the answer. 43. C is the answer. Next 44. A school van covers a distance 34.25 km to pick students from their homes in a day. What distance will it cover in 66 days? So you have to easily find out because distance is given and what is the distance is covered in 6 days. That means in 1 day is given. So you have to find out 66 days. So multiply it. 44. 44 answer is given C. C is the answer. Very easy math. C. 1 day value is given. Find out 66 days. So multiply it. Value is increases. So whenever increase you multiply it. 45. 12,685 books were bought for the primary section and 15,790 books were brought in the middle section and 13,698 books were brought for the senior section. So what is the total number of books in the library? You know it, add it and you get the answer. So 45 answer is B. B is the answer. Now 46. The given figure is made of a square and a rectangle. The breadth of the rectangle is 1/3 of the length of the edge of the square. If the area of the whole figure is 384, find the length of the rectangle. So, first the length of the square you have to find, it is given 18. So, 18 into 1 by 3, then 6. 6 centimeter is the length, breadth of the rectangle. So, breadth of the rectangle is 6 centimeter. Now, length, what is the length? So, here area is given. So, area divided by breadth. So, area divided by breadth. So, length equal to area divided by breadth. So, divide it and you can get the answer. So, 46. 46 answer is C. C is the answer. Very easy man. First, there is a relation given with the breadth and the length, breadth and the side of the rectangle. So, apply this relation. Side of the square is given 18. So, 18 into 1 by 3, then 6. 6 is the 6 centimeter is the breadth of the rectangle. Area is given rectangle 384. 384 divided by 6. You can get the answer easily. Next one. Alisa is thinking of 5 digits of even number. The first digit is 4 more than the smallest odd number. The second digit is the common factor of the number 2 and 11. The third digit is product of the first 2 digits. The sum of the fourth and fifth digit is 9. The fifth digit is the multiple of 6. What is the number Alisa thinking of? So answer is coming. There is a relation among all the factors. You have to find out the relations and you can easily find out. C is the answer. Find out the value of Q plus R divided by P by 22 into S. As the value of all the values are given. So you have to find out these values. In the middle there is dividend. Dividend is Q and S, all the values are given. So first you divide all, do the division, find out all P, Q, R, S and put the value. That means 48. 48B. B is the answer. So first you complete this division and find out the value of P, Q, R, S. All are missing. So do the division if you know and then you can do it. Here is the following statement and select the correct option. The value of CM minus CD plus CVII is called 607. The statement 2, symbol C can be added to every Roman numbers but it can be subtracted from D and M. So which statement is correct? So C is the correct statement, I think. So C is the answer. Next, find PQRS in the statement. Find PQRS in the given statement. Commas are inserted in a number after each P.